You're late for an important gaming session, but your old monitor's slow refresh rate is slowing you down even more. You need a display that can keep up with your fast-paced games. That's where the Alienware 34 Curved Gaming comes in. This ultra-wide gaming monitor brings virtual worlds to life with its WQHD quality, allowing you to explore vast landscapes and detailed environments like never before. The 34-inch curved panel provides an expansive view that makes it feel like you're right there in the game. But what really sets this monitor apart is its fluid performance. With a smooth 180 Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond 𝐏𝐫𝐤 response time, you can dive into even the most challenging games without any lag or delays. And with AMD FreeSync Premium and VESA AdaptiveSync technology, you can enjoy vibrant colors and reduced screen tearing. Imagine yourself in the midst of an epic gaming session, surrounded by immersive visuals that draw you deeper into the game. The DCI P395% color coverage ensures that every detail is rendered with stunning accuracy, while the VESA Display HDR400 certification gives you a wide range of contrast and brightness options to suit your playstyle. This monitor isn't just for gaming either, it's designed for marathon sessions that go late into the night. With a dedicated console mode and hardware-based low blue light solution, you can stay focused on your game without straining your eyes. And when you finally do take a break, you'll be able to switch seamlessly between work and play with ease. The Alienware 34 Curved Gaming is also built for premium performance. It features NVIDIA G-Sync technology, which eliminates screen tearing and provides a smooth gaming experience. The monitor's ergonomic design allows you to customize your viewing angle and height to fit your perfect gaming position. But it's not just about the tech specs, it's about how it makes you feel. Owning this monitor is like treating yourself to a new level of immersion. You'll be able to fully engage with your games, exploring vast worlds and experiencing thrilling moments in stunning detail. It's an investment in yourself, in your gaming experience, and in your well-being. With the Alienware 34 Curved Gaming, you can unlock your full gaming potential. You'll be able to focus on the game without distractions, losing yourself in the thrill of competition or exploration. And when the session is over, you'll feel a sense of satisfaction and accomplishment that comes from pushing yourself to new heights. So why settle for an old, outdated monitor when you can have the best? The Alienware 34 Curved Gaming is designed to exceed your expectations, delivering unparalleled performance, stunning visuals, and a premium gaming experience that will leave you breathless. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or just looking to upgrade your setup, this monitor is sure to impress. In short, owning the Alienware 34 Curved Gaming is like owning a piece of yourself. It's a declaration of what matters most: quality, performance, and immersion. So why wait? Upgrade your gaming setup today and experience the thrill of immersive visuals and lightning-fast performance for yourself. Lock in for hours of uninterrupted gameplay with the Alienware 34 Curved Gaming, and discover a whole new world of gaming possibilities.